I'd love to talk about my favorite Vietnamese food.
My favorite dish is Gỏi Cuốn, or fresh spring rolls.
It usually has rice noodles, shrimp, pook, and fresh herbs. Wrapped in thin rice paper. My grandma sometimes makes Gỏi Cuốn for my family on special occasions.
I love Gỏi Cuốn very much because it tastes very fresh and healthy.
The shrimp and pork are delicious, and the herbs make it so fragrant.
Eating Gỏi Cuốn makes me feel light and satisfied.
I think it's a wonderful food because it's tasty and very good for your health.